If I lost everything I had today, tomorrow, and had to start at zero for 2026, as someone who was working a construction job 18 months ago, working 50 hours a week, making $1,000 to now getting to travel the world, living a life of full freedom, making upwards of $40,000 every single month, this is exactly what I would do with what I've learned over the last 18 months that's allowed me to do these great things, live a life that I can say I'm proud of, live a life I love, and live a way better life than I was living working construction. And the best part coming towards the end of 2025, heading into 2026, is that we have AI. So it literally has never been easier for a complete beginner to start making generational wealth, to start from scratch, start from zero, because we have AI. We can use artificial intelligence to our advantage. I'm going to show you guys exactly how, exactly what I do. So basically all you have to do is just copy these steps and make 2026 the year you will look back on for decades as the year that changed it all for you. So we're going to jump onto my laptop. I'm going to break this all down for you step by step, how to use AI, what we're going to do if we had $0 to our name. Let's jump into it. How to start from $0 in 2026 using AI, a beginner blueprint that will actually work for you. If I lost everything tomorrow and had to start at zero in 2026, this is exactly what I would do, how I'm going to utilize AI to make this process so much easier. Whether you've got no experience at all, you've never heard about making money online, or you've been looking into it and you're just stuck, this is exactly what we're going to do. Now, obviously the buzzwords at the minute, they have been for a very long time, for years. When you think about making money online are things like dropshipping, crypto, even online gambling now. That's probably one of the most common things that I see a lot of influencers pushing is online gambling. And no, it's none of these things. It is none of these things. We're not going to be dropshipping. We're not going to be doing crypto, and we're not going to be doing gambling. These aren't beginner friendly. Yes, they can be viable ways to make money, maybe not the gambling, but these things aren't going to make you money as a beginner, especially if you have $0 to your name. It's probably the worst thing that you can do. What we're going to be focusing on is one skill. We're going to be using AI tools to learn that skill, to practice that skill, and to eventually generate an income from that skill. And we're also going to be using free communities out there, free like-minded people, not free like-minded people, but free communities with like-minded people inside of them. And yeah, that's exactly what we're going to be covering today. So let me show you the blueprint. So that one skill that we're going to be focusing on is appointment setting, where essentially I've got lots of free guides out there. I can link one down below for you guys to get the ins and outs of appointment setting, what it is, how you make money from it. This is actually the first way that I made money online, and probably the most simple way to make money online. Step your foot into, the whole space. So essentially all your job is to message leads off the half of a business or an influencer. You book calls of people who are interested in the product or service that these business or influencers have on offer. You're basically the middleman, and off the back of that, you get paid. And this is all done through a messaging system, whether it's direct messages or things of that nature. So really simple, really easy to get your head around, and perfect for a beginner. Why it's best for beginners is you don't need a degree. There's no startup money really needed, depending on how much you want to push yourself and the situation that you're in. Obviously, today I've lost everything. I'm starting at zero. I've got $0 to my name, $0 in my bank account. This is exactly what we're doing. All you need is a phone. So hopefully you've got one of them. Hopefully you're watching this on one of them, and a bit of effort if you're willing to put that in to change your life forever. Now, as I said, this was me. I'm about 18 months ago when I was working as a tradie, working 50 hours a week, making $1,000 a week, just living a life that I hated, until I learned that skill of appointment setting. Started with no experience, no degrees, nothing, none of this that I had. And, within 3 or 4 months, I was able to replace my income, get off the tools, and then, start learning other skills, upskilling, start making more money, up to $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a month. But it all started with appointment setting. So a quick disclaimer, I know today we're covering, if you had $0, where I would start, how I would go about it. But this isn't exactly what I did in hindsight. This is what I would do if I lost everything. With almost 2 years of experience, this is exactly what I do if I lost it all. So quick disclaimer here, if you are serious about, actually chasing your goals, making this something long-term, getting out of your job as soon as possible in 2026, if you do have money behind you, if you, have a bit of savings, buy coaching, especially when learning skills like sales and appointment setting. Just buy coaching. You will save yourself so much more time, but not only save yourself time by just investing into your skill sets, but you will ensure that you learn the skill sets correctly, and you'll make it a long-term thing. It's not just going to be something that's a quick money grab. You're back on a job site in 2 years' time. Make sure you make this a long-term thing. Sales is the best skill you can ever learn. The easiest way to start with sales is appointment setting. And if you have the money behind you, as I've got here, use your 9 to 5. This is a mindset a lot of you need to get into. Use your 9 to 5 to fund your skills So to fund learning new skills, learn that 9 to 5 income you're using, because that 9 to 5 income, that trading your time for money, earning $1,000 a week isn't going to create anything for yourself. You're going to be stuck in that same cycle that you're already in. And then you use the skills that your 9 to 5 funded to buy your freedom back, which is exactly what I did. I bought coaching, I invested into skills. But if you're broke, you have $0, that's okay, because I'm going to show you how we can use AI, how we can use this to example. And who knows, if I had gone about it this way this time last year, 18 months ago, I could have got similar results. But this is exactly what I do. Here is the free route I take if you don't have money or you're not in a position to invest, so that you can start making money and then you can even look into investing. So to do this all for free, we are going to be using AI. We're going to be getting AI to train us up for free, give us everything that we need. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to ChatGPT and we're going to write it a prompt. So we're going to write in, be my ruthless mentor, me appointment setting from scratch, give me daily drills, role play with me, critique my messages. So we're going to put this prompt into ChatGPT. This is a free app. All of you can go and do this now. And yeah, as you see, this is sort of the fundamentals of it all. Your ruthless mentor, it's not going to have any bullshit. It's going to tell you what you need to hear, when you need to hear it. And it's also going to be something that you can role play with, so you can actually practice. So we'll chuck this in. Now, just quickly as well, if we go over to the settings in ChatGPT, you can actually personalize it and give it custom instructions and pretty much put the same thing in. So I'd put this in as well, so it just reiterates it, and that's how you're going to be talking to it, or how it's going to be talking to you. So you're my ruthless mentor, don't sugarcoat anything. If my idea is weak, call it shit, tell me why. Your job is to stress test everything I say until it's bulletproof. That's a prompt I've got in it for my business now. Now, as you see here, it will give you, exactly what you need to learn the skill of appointment setting from the ground up. Now, it's important with, appointment setting and learning a new skill. The steps you basically need to take is you need info. You need to get the knowledge at first. So you need to actually understand the skill at first. You then need the correct guidance. So once you've started to get your head around, a completely new skill, you then need guidance. Think about being on a job site, right? You need to sort of have a rough idea of what carpentry is. You're building houses, right? So you're sort of getting knowledge around that. But if you're not guided on, how to improve, getting feedback and things like that, you're still going to be stuck at ground zero. You can get all the knowledge in the world at trade school, but if you're not getting guided correctly, it doesn't really matter. And the last thing, which is, this is a process we follow inside ABC, inside the academy, the process I followed is knowledge, guidance, and then putting all that into practice. So once again, if you were in trade school, if you're just doing a heap of theory, you're not actually on a job site getting guided and putting into practice all the things you're learning in theory, you're not going to progress very quickly. And the way we're going to apply this with ChatGPT using AI is we're going to, build that knowledge up. It's basically given us a quick plan here of how we're going to go about this, but the first step is building that knowledge up. So you can just put into it, just put this prompt in as well. I want to get knowledge in first. So the first thing we need to get is knowledge. Teach me the ins and outs as a complete beginner. Give access to some of the best video guides I can watch, books I can read, and train me yourself. I have no experience or money. So obviously it'll give us everything we need here, sort of a blueprint, understand what the fuck appointment setting actually is. That's the most important part, obviously, to start off with. You then need to build the core skill set. And then, as I said, it's about putting, daily training and putting that stuff into practice. So it's given us here links to appointment setting guides and also books to read. So How to Win Friends and Influence People, Way of the Wolf, Jordan Belfort. So he's obviously a massive sales guy. If you haven't seen The Wolf of Wall Street, great movie, but based off a true story. So obviously, this is what I'd focus on for the first few weeks. Is just really building your knowledge up, reading books, going through free guides, understanding the skill, understanding what your job is. And obviously we're not going to go into that training here because this is something you guys have to undertake yourself. And even if this is a video you want to come back to when you're ready for the next stage, but we'll just cover everything quickly here so you've got that blueprint all sorted out for you so you can get started. So that is sort of the first step that we're following. We're going to be learning with AI for free. This is how we're going to use AI to our advantage rather than let it, take over the world and replace our jobs. Now, the next step, as we just said, you're going to learn, you're going to get the knowledge in. Next, we're going to practice and network. So we're obviously going to be able to have AI to appointment set with and it can critique our messages. But one of the most important parts of my journey was networking, building relationships, being on the same mission with like-minded people. So I'll just do a quick example right now of, obviously, once you guys develop the skill, what a role play would look like. So you can just put this prompt in. Are you ready to role play? I want to practice a fitness offer, trying to help people lose weight. Now, once you guys also understand the frameworks and the skill of appointment setting with your knowledge section, I'd also give it the framework that you're going to follow. So for me, So as you see here, this is the framework I follow. I've got other free guides out there where you can even watch my free guides, right, to learn this skill. But the framework we want ChatGPT to review us on is current, painting current, urgency to make change, goals, financial qualification, pitch. And you want it to play you a random prospect because everyone you get in the DMs is different, is weird, and you don't want to like sort of be prepared for it. You want, you know, the messages to come through to sort of put you on the spot. So we'll put that prompt in. All right, so he's given us a 26-year-old male, used to be fit tradie, has let himself go over the past 2-3 years. All right, so put this one in. Nice one, mate. What's the current situation for you right now? Fitness-wise, been out of routine for a bit, yada, yada, yada. We'll quickly skip through this role play. As you see here, we said gotcha. And when you say fell off, how's that actually been? Showing up day to day, energy down, clothes tighter, a bit of that, can't be fucked vibe creeping in. So obviously I'm just doing a quick role play for you guys just to show you sort of through it, so that we can actually get feedback here. And as you see, it sort of prompts you as you go and will tell you what you're doing wrong. And you can even tell ChatGPT not to give you these prompts until after. So then you get a full feedback. So we'll go, give me feedback to start off with. So obviously I've just skimmed through. I haven't done the best role play. Yeah. So as you see, it says strength was you switched from like the last role play we did, you switched from weak, vague wording to leading questions. That's the number one mistake of 90% of rookies never fix. And it says, you know, a fix here would be not dropping frame. That one slip makes you sound unsure. So there wasn't enough authority there. You know, I'm texting as a business and, you know, there's no authority starting a message with that. Yada, yada, yada. It's given me a B+ for a beginner. You've corrected fast. You're starting to sound natural. Yada, yada, yada. You get what I'm saying, right? We're putting this into practice. Now, the other way, what I would actually do, sorry, I'll go back here to ChatGPT. You can put in, now, what I want you guys to do now as well is to get ChatGPT to get you in some free communities. So there's like Discords and things like that, where, you know, you can join other beginners and other people learning this skill, and you can actually start to have like human to human conversations rather than just using AI. And this is exactly why I started up my own free school community for all you guys. Now, if you see here, there is, if you're going to like the appointment setting module, for example, there's hours and hours worth of content here for you guys to get the knowledge and learn the skill. But also on top of that, you know, we're building a community. Community is the number one thing, especially when, you know, starting something online, you know, surrounding yourself with like-minded people where you guys can find accountability partners, you can do role plays, you can even have local meetups and really start to build these relationships even further. And even, you know, looking through my community right now, you know, we ran a free coaching call last night. You guys will get so much better, a lot faster when you network with real people, you connect with real people, and you learn and build relationships with real people. Now, when you're doing role plays inside these free communities, you can even like screenshot these role plays and then put them back into ChatGPT and get it to review each other. If one person is playing as a prospect, the other person is playing as an appointment setter, you guys can critique each other. That's a great thing, but you can also put it into AI just to fine tune things. Or even if you join a community like mine, which I can leave a link down below. If you want to join, it's completely free. I do coaching calls. I actually review these role plays for you guys live. So you can actually get that one-on-one coaching sort of for free, which a lot of people don't do, but I really want to help you guys out. You know, I know I'm really no different to a lot of you. I just got access to the right guidance, the right coaching, which I did pay a lot of money for, and it was definitely worth it. But that's why I want to give it away for free, because I know not everyone's in the position I was in to sort of invest into myself. Now, the next step, once you get to a point where ChatGPT can't give you much more feedback, no one can really give you much more feedback, you're getting really good. The next step is to, you know, be able to land a role so we can start making money. Remember, we're starting at zero. We're doing this all for free, that with the end goal to start making money from scratch. So we need AI to build our sales profile. So to build us out a resume so we can start applying on Seek, start applying through Facebook groups, start reaching out and cold outreaching on Instagram and platforms like that. So you can just put something in like, I'm ready for a role, I need a resume and my profile for social media. It'll give you everything that you need to do. So it's just about training ChatGPT to give you the things that you want. And it just makes like life so much easier. You're gonna save yourself a lot of time, and it's, you know, relatively simple, right? So then you gotta build your profile with AI. You're gonna be all ready to land your first role. You've got the knowledge in, you've been practicing, you know, maybe for a month. And the last step to this process is to find a role and get fucking paid, boys and girls. So you can use AI and communities to search for appointment setting gigs. So inside, you know, these school communities, you know, there's gonna be potentially roles available for some of them. I put roles inside mine sometimes, but you can also get AI to, you know, find these roles for you, notify when they find roles. You know, you've got your resumes ready for Seek and Facebook and things like that. It can, write you out scripts that you can write to businesses, and then you can build a spreadsheet so you can follow up with these businesses as well. So if you're reaching out to 100 different businesses or influencers a day, it can then build you out a spreadsheet so you know who you've reached out to, who's replied to you, who you need to follow up with, who you've got calls with. And obviously our first goal here is to make our first bit of money. $200, $500 for me, it was $70 when I was first getting started. But that is obviously the ultimate goal here. And realistically, if you guys start now, before 2026 even hits, you guys, there's no reason within 2 or 3 months you can't be on your first roll, making your first bit of money. And that first win changes everything. I do just want to emphasize how much that first win changes everything. That $70 that I first made from appointment setting gave me the proof and gave me the fire to go even harder. I could do this. All the self-doubt was eliminated. Although I'd failed school, failed everything in my life, this was something I actually succeeded in, even though it was $70. Go even harder. And at that point, that's when you look to reinvest back into yourself and actually invest into proper coaches, proper mentors, people who have made millions and millions of dollars from the skill of sales, appointment setting, and then, even looking into starting your own thing or managing sales team and things like that. Like even my boy Callum, who joined ABC, he made $40,000 in 1 month. He had a closing role for 5 or 6 months. He then moved into a sales management role and he's now making $40,000 a month just from the skill of sales alone. That's the power of reinvesting back into yourself, because at the end of the day, with appointment setting, you're probably capped at the max you can make is 10K a month, closing 20, 30K a month. But if you invest back into yourself, that's where the generational wealth can come. But if you're starting at zero, obviously we need to get into a position to start making money. 40K a month is too far away. We need to start making money so then we can invest back into ourselves later on down the line and make that generational wealth. But that's basically a quick speed run through like exactly how I would start from zero if I lost everything in 2026, if I was dead broke. This is exactly the skill that I would learn. These are the steps I would follow. This is how I'd use AI to my advantage. It has never been easier. Now, we will wrap up there, boys and girls. I hope this was of value. I hope this was straight to the point. This may be a video that you need to come back to every now and then just to refresh your memory and go through the steps properly. As I said, down below, I will leave my free school community for all you guys to join once you're ready to role play, if you're ready to connect, if you want to jump on my coaching calls for free, we can run that up. I'll leave that down below. My Instagram will be down below. You can ask any questions, reach out to me personally, or just leave them in the comments down below. Make sure to subscribe, like for more, give me feedback. I hope this was of value. I hope you see the value behind using AI to your advantage. At the end of the day, it is going to be replacing jobs. It's going to be replacing over 300 million jobs by the year 2030. You can either let it ruin your fucking life, take over the world, or you can use it to your advantage like a small percentage of people are doing and let it change your life forever. I'll see you guys in the next one. I appreciate it. I hope it was of value, and cheers.